Let's actually do a little bit of forecasting here. Robin, you can go to my main show, and we'll take you hour by hour. We'll take this opportunity while things are starting to wind down to show you what's going to happen, at least for the rest of the night and also for the all-important weekend. And here's a look at future clouds and rain. And at midnight, severe weather threat could still be ongoing in parts of LaPorte County, okay? I think it's mainly going to be light to moderate showers by midnight. In the rest of Indiana, some lingering showers across Cook County and extending back off towards the west into DeKalb and DuPage County. And this is the way it'll be all night long, just a couple of passing showers. But notice by 2, 3 a.m., it's over and done with. There's still moisture, there's still clouds, and then here comes the cold air on the backside of this low. And it'll be early tomorrow morning into mid-morning that a few areas of rain could be mixed in with some snow. Should be moving on out pretty quickly. And I have to tell you, the forecast data all day long, Rob will tell you this because he worked earlier this morning, it's been backing off more and more from the snow possibilities for tomorrow. But we're going to keep in a few flurries mixed in with some rain as we roll through tomorrow. So weekend forecast. We'll be done with the severe weather threat next 90 minutes, 2 hours. It's already ending for much of the state of Illinois. If you're here in Chicago, Cook County, some lingering showers on and off overnight. First half of tomorrow, we've got some rain mixed in with some snow flurries. The big headline for your Saturday is going to be the wind on the backside of this area of low pressure we've been talking about. We will at times have wind gusts 50, if not 55 miles per hour, and it's very possible there could be a couple of areas down here towards the south and to the southeast that have wind gusts approaching 60 miles per hour. Non-severe thunderstorm winds will actually clear out in the afternoon. We're just going to have these howling westerly winds. And with high temperatures in the 30s, it'll feel a lot colder than that with these strong winds. So even though the thunderstorm activity exits on out of here pretty quickly here over the next couple of hours, winds tomorrow on the backside of this low could still bring down some, limbs, and we could have some power issues for tomorrow. So wind advisory in effect starting overnight through 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Let's take you through the 7-day forecast, Rob, and then we'll end the newscast with another radar outlook, just so you'll know what's going on. So that's tomorrow. The sun is back. It's breezy on Sunday, but not nearly as windy on Sunday compared to Saturday. The high temperature 48. And Sunday will kick off this warming trend that will take us into the low 50s on Monday, 54 on Tuesday. Keep in mind, average highs mid-30s this time of the year. And how about 62 on Wednesday? That would be just 2 degrees shy of the record high set back in 1971. And despite cloud cover and a small chance of rain, we're going to be near that record on Wednesday. And we'll cool a bit with a few widely scattered showers Thursday and back down to 40 as we head towards Friday. So let's go back to Doppler radar, Rob, and we'll recap on what's going on. The reason why we have dominated this newscast and left Brad all alone there at the desk tonight, getting a break tonight, is because we have had active warnings in northwest Indiana, both severe thunderstorm warnings and even a couple of tornado warnings. And thankfully, as of 10:30, the tornado warning has expired. We just have active severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for embedded areas in this thunderstorm activity that could be producing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So there's a list of all the areas that are under a severe thunderstorm warning until 10:45 LaPorte and Starkey, Porter County in effect until 10:45 as well. So that's a look at that. One last recap of the Doppler radar before we head to a commercial break quickly. We've got the thunderstorms beginning to exit, moving off towards the northeast at 60 to 65 miles per hour. Brad, the severe weather threat slowly coming to an end across northwest Indiana. I think it's pretty much over if you're here in northeast Illinois. We'll send it to the news desk.
Albert Ramon and Rob Ellis, thank you both tonight. This will continue your extreme weather coverage on CBSN as we kick things over to Colbert soon. But breaking news in Arkansas tonight. Possible tornado ripped through a nursing home there. 2 people killed, 5 others hurt. Officials say at least 20 people were trapped after that tornado hit the facility in the Monette area. 3 people were hurt in Missouri when a tornado touched down tonight in the St. Louis area. You can see this home in St. Charles County severely damaged. And this just into the newsroom, not far from St. Louis in Edwardsville, Illinois. We've just learned a potential tornado hit an Amazon warehouse. Officials say there are people injured and trapped inside after that roof collapsed. There's a picture of it right now from social media of the Amazon facility, again in Edwardsville, Illinois, outside of the St. Louis city itself, but in the St. Louis region. You can see the roof partially collapsed. There are reports, again, of people trapped. Now let's head back to Albert.
Yeah, I hate to see that, Brad, but it gives you an idea just how strong this weather system has been, especially downstate. That's where the ingredients were the most conducive for tornadic activity. We were just on the fringe of the severe weather threat. That's why we were talking about, marginal slight risk of a tornado threat. And even though we've had a couple of tornado warnings just in the last half hour, those have expired, and the severe weather threat, thankfully for our area, is on the decrease. There is a look at the severe weather outlook for the remainder of the night, and we mentioned how the heart of the severe weather threat would be much more down towards the south of St. Louis, southern areas of Illinois, into the southeast corner of Missouri and southward from there. And there's the northern fringe for us. Doppler radar, we'll do one last little check here for you. There's the area of low pressure kicking in out of the west. We'll be on the back side of this area of low pressure tomorrow, and behind it, just a ton of wind and clearing skies by the time we head towards the late afternoon. But there's a look at the Doppler radar right now, and there's some lingering showers that are kind of skirting across the northern counties right now. We still have some light to, at times, moderate showers. Lake County here in Illinois, and the McHenry County from Crystal Lake stretching down towards the south into central eastern sections of DeKalb County, kind of cutting right across Kane County right now. And it'll be this little band that will pass across places like northern sections of Cook County, northern sections of Chicago here over the next half hour to 45 minutes, but that is non-severe. Severe stuff continues down towards northwest Indiana. This is what has kept us on for the last half hour here on CBS 2, here on the 10 o'clock newscast. No active tornado warnings after having a couple. Those have since expired. There's still some areas of rotation, though, that we're seeing. This is going to be something that we'll keep an eye on, and that's why we'll be on CBSN after we're done here for at least another half hour. So CBSN Chicago on your smartphone, and also CBSChicago.com. That's where our conditions, our coverage will continue, Brad, right after this newscast. So meet Rob and myself there.
We will do that. Thank you, Albert.